Hey everyone, how you doing? I'm gonna be doing the oil change on my Indian Scout 2019. See real quick everything that I need. So of course, the tray, the motorcycle jack, and of course the oil kit. They use 15W60, and let me show you guys something real quick. So right here we have two drain plugs. So we have one here and one here, and of course we got the oil filter right here. It looks easy, but it's not. All right, let's go. Now we're ready, and pretty much this is all you need. It's a 6mm, and this is it. Let's go. Alright, that's our plan. Go to the next one. Now she's drained. Let's put this back. Okay, this one here. Let's put this piece back. Okay. No. All right, next sheet. This is hard doing it with one hand. Alright, let's find that bad boy. Oh, there it is. Alright, let's try this one more time. There we go. Okay. Alright. Alright, now let's go. This bad boy right here. Man, this is why I said it's complicated, because they put the oil filter behind the hub. I was dumb. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, I have to remove the horn because it was giving me a hard time, as you guys can see. So let's see. And, okay. Alright. Woo. Man, she gave me some trouble. By the way, this is my second time doing it. Hopefully the third time I'll do it better. It's not hard. It's just sometimes you have to have all the right tools to get everything faster. But yeah, look at this. That was not fun, guys. That was not fun at all. Damn. Alright. Thanks. And here's the fun part. Alright, we're ready to go. Now we start the bad boy.